Listen, please listen. How many of you found out all your incompletions are same pattern? Raise your hand. Can I have few of you come and share? Means first, originally when you felt the identity you created about you and the identity, the inner image about life, others, or the outer image, how you created, and it is repeating again and again in your life. Whenever you go into suffering or low mood, incompletion, the same thing is repeating. How many of you found out that? Come on, let me listen to you guys. Go ahead.
So, yes. My incompletion I have noted is fear of success. So, earning money is a sin. One is younger.
Do you see the same thing repeating? Whenever you are about to get some big money, big deal, you will fail it.
No. Sometime back I was earning money sin. Now I feel that I am craving for money. So,
the conflict.
Yes, sir. No. There is a. Now you are craving for money now. There's one more is younger. So relationship with family members is a career and laziness. Could not get up early morning and could not go to the bed early in the night. Could not go to the office in the morning. So we have flexibility. We can go office at any time. So that's what plus or minus 3 hours I can go to office. So that is what I could not go to the office in the morning. So lack of assertiveness in few cases. Not having much net wealth in the sense I don't have much assets. So health. So it is like my belly or my diabetic, my thing. So not doing exercise regularly. Peacefulness, happiness.
No, you see, not doing exercise regularly is a habit. But there is a pattern behind it.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
The pattern is that not wanting to commit with any routine or not wanting to commit with any lifestyle. You understand that?
Yes.
So that naturally percolates in everything. The way you behave with people, the way you behave with yourself, everything is filled by that. Non-committal. So naturally what happens? About money also, you become non-committal. Later on you catch, oh God, no. I think I should become more committed. Understand?
Yes.
So do you see the all your life, you are repeating the same pattern?
Yes.
That's all I want you to know. Okay, now you can sit. This side.
Thank you, son.
Yes.
I have a basic trend. Whenever I approach something, I am alive to figure it out. I need to figure it out. I just can't let go of things that I know are useless also. I need to get into the detail there. So that's how a basic trend is. I'm inefficient. I end up wasting time because minutest detail I have to figure it out. So this is the pattern.
But I think somewhere you misunderstood yourself. See, the person who is supposed to find out the minutest detail will always be more efficient. For example, this speaker is there.
Yes, sir.
That fan is there. If the speaker works for me, that's enough. The fan works for me, that's enough. But I won't keep quiet like that. Now already I have scanned how the speaker works, how the fan works, how this AC works. I can, if I have time and if it goes repaired, I can sit and repair it.
Yes.
So getting into that minutest detail will never be inefficient, ma.
Yes,
you please understand. You see, somewhere you have a wrong understanding about you. You hate that pattern. The pattern itself is not inefficient. Your hatred for that pattern is inefficient. Find out that.
Yes, I've done some work. Now, earlier, like, it was always inefficient.
Now,
I'll speak.
Go ahead.
Yes. Now, for the last few months, because of the detailed understanding I have, I'm able to put things together better. Earlier it wasn't like that. Now these things are falling in place because of the completions I have been doing. So very quickly I am able to tell that this will not work because of its connection somewhere else. Yet because of this I do get lost. Because at that, this moment I need to focus on something. I will not focus on it. I'll be lost elsewhere. Now I'm trying to add focus to it and then set it straight.
See what I am saying? Your problem is not getting into the minutest detail. Your problem is hating that lifestyle, that thinking trend. Understand? See, for example, this two-way video conferencing, this whole setup, if it fails,
Thank you.
because I don't have time, I am attending the class, I don't. Otherwise, I can just sit and few minutes, I can repair the whole thing.
Yes. So, as you are talking, I'm understanding that I want a certain result. And because I can't take concrete action towards it, I am doing other things which are productive.
See, then it is distracting yourself, self-distraction. Then it should not be called as attention to the minutest details.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Getting it. You got it?
Thank you.
Please come. Go ahead.
I am 74, Swamiji. Started my life in this world during World War II. And from then onwards, all the time I am facing war-like problems only in my life. But I retired as a scientist in 2000. Many projects are successful in my hand, but I am failure. I am failure. Probably, but all the time.
Can you tell me exact pattern? The first idea you started developing about you. The pattern, the first inner image. Yesterday you would have written.
Pattern is
We had a homework.
I can do many things by my confidence.
No. Listen. Yesterday we did a homework.
Yeah.
What is the first inner image you developed?
I have a.
See what you are saying. I can do so many things, confidence. That is outer image. That will never be an inner image.
But my observation on me is I am very hasty.
That can be the inner image.
Hasty and expect the world around me also similarly respond. Probably I get disappointed there. So that is.
That is self-denial. Means the gap between the other life image and others image.
Others image.
What you want from others and what others want from you. The gap.
Others, I all the time I fail. My inner circle is not carrying me, my advice. But the outer circles, whom we are not related, only professionally related, are taking my advice and coming up in the life. But I fail.
No, don't worry. That is not only your problem, my problem also. All my devotees listen to my teachings, my ashramites don't listen to me. What to do? All my devotees listen to my teachings and live as I am saying. But naturally my sannyasis don't listen. What to do? That's the way kids are.
I dare not compare with you.
No. No, I say, what I am saying, with outsiders, the devotees who come and go, only part-time if they listen to me, that's enough. With these guys, 24 hours they have to listen to me. So naturally, even if they miss 10%, that will be seen by me. But with the devotees, even if they practice 10%, that will be seen by me. You understand? It is a standard, nothing else. It's a ISO level. Whether ISO 2008 or 2012, because you see, many people, many projects, many products get ISO 2000, but they will not get ISO 2010 because the standard is different. All of you understand what I am saying? So, when I say the devotees follow my teachings, the standard of expectation is different. When I say my sannyasis don't follow, the standard of expectation is different.
The problem I many times remember.
That's the way in your family also. With your outer circle, your expectation is different. With your first circle, your expectation is different. That is where the problem is.
That's where the failure is. I also many times compare with Karna's character,
Mm.
who has got all the knowledge, but it doesn't come into his professional success anytime. Maybe he's a Guru Sapa or whatever. I have done, besides scientist, I did my astrology also to understand what is this pattern. I understood that Guru is against me. That's why many a times the bosses will, they get benefit of my work, but I am not getting benefit of what I am due to get. So that's nothing. I am not hurt by ahankara.
I understand.
So these are the, and in this process I have been hunting to different gurus and different, in this process I have done Reiki, that healing, this
I
healing, all
understand.
that.
I understand.
All that, because 74 and the 40 years of learning this process is only. So ultimately my brother, SBH, has dragged me here. I am here for
Where is he? Your brother? Okay, please visit. Go ahead.
I have been hearing you, seeing you on TV channels, but never cared so much because, as you rightly told, we will be passers by. So that is how things are happening.
So do you understand the same pattern repeating?
Same pattern is repeating and repeating.
That's all I wanted you to know. Please be seated.
Thank you so
Come
much.
on, this side.
Good morning, Swamiji.
Yes.
The same pattern which is repeating for me is when I was a child, I feel that I was not being cared by my parents. Now again, I am into the same feeling which I am repeating from my husband, where he doesn't care for me and he doesn't take responsibility for me. And the second one is I am feeling very alone, like it was when I was a child.
Can you see this pattern is repeating again and again?
Yes.
In the school also you will feel left out.
Yeah.
Everybody else is a group.
But I am successful, I'm successful.
No, I understand. You see, the bank balance is not successful.
Yeah.
You understand?
But I am earning a lot.
I understand. I am telling you, but that is not success.
Yeah.
Okay. You are getting the same thing repeating.
Yes, it is repeating.
Can you all provide your listening? Please listen here. Now, how many of you see the first pattern you developed is continuously repeating in your life every way? Raise your hand. Now, not only we are going to complete and drop the first original patterns you built, all the repetitions also we are going to complete. Means not just the root, branch, everything we are going to burn. Let's burn the whole thing. Even if you even if you allow some one fruit in the tree, it can become one more tree. So all I am trying to do now today with this process, whatever pain you had, incompletion you had from your birth, we are going to complete with everything. And I will leave you like a clean slate. See, if human beings have a clear history button, life will be so smooth. Just like computers have a clear history button. If you have a clear history button, how life will be smooth. Completion is a clear history button. Now I am going to press the clear history button today for all you guys in your inner computer. I want your intense participation. I am very clear. I am not happy with yesterday's your participation level. There is no self-drive. It is like if I give an exercise, you finish in 2 minutes and throw the paper and looking at me. But now I don't want that. I wanted you to contemplate And I tell you, whatever incompletion pain you pen down, I'll remove that from your inner space. Whatever you write, I'll clear the clear history. But what you don't write, I cannot clear. Because what you don't think as incompletion, you will think that is your part. I cannot touch whatever you think as your part. Whatever you claim as incompletion, only that I can clear. It's like whatever garbage you keep it outside your house, the garbage the truck, it will pick up and take it. He cannot enter your house and pick up whatever is inside the house. Because whatever is inside the house is valuable for you. Whatever you keep outside only he can pick up and go. I am a huge garbage cleaner. Understand? I am coming with a huge garbage truck. Whatever you leave outside, I will take it and clear it and go. Don't tell me, no, I kept it inside. No, then I cannot do anything. Whatever pain, incompletion, fear, doubt, suffering you went through in your life, whatever you pen down, now I will clear them. Clear? Start with the earliest memory of your life. Recall all the unpleasant incidents, pain, incompletion, guilt, shame, fear, doubt, powerlessness, everything. It's almost like you are going to write your history. You are not going to show to anybody, so don't worry. Write freely. Clear? Do not censor anything. Write each and everything. Please listen. Start writing your whole biography. One thing, relive and pen down. Don't just remember, relive. First close your eyes for a few minutes. Relive sincerely, authentically and pen down. Then relive and pen down. After reliving each incident, write down clearly as if you are writing a story. Do not censor anything. Do not avoid any incident.